something terrifying. She says she's taking the toys out, getting the skateboard. Now she's getting the balls out. These are the birds. She said that's what she's doing. Horrible. Tell the camera what you're doing, Mommy. Look in the camera. Eva, look at the camera. And I'm getting the mouse out. Okay, she has the mouse out the bone. For these birds, she said. For these birds. Can I see one of your birds? Can you pick it up so I can see it? Scoop him up and start to see it. Oh, some souls. Can I see two? Why you can I see you hold two? Can you hold two, Mommy? Hold that one and get another one with that one. Get two at a time. One. Get another one. Hold that one. Oh, see where it reach. Oh, hold that one, Mommy. Get two at a time. Change your with both hands. One with one hand and one with the other hand. On. One with one hand and one with the other hand. Scoop him up. You're the boss. Scoop him up. Touch his tummy. Touch his tummy. Touch his tummy, Mommy. Hey, very. Scoop him up. Very good. Now can I see it? Could you? Yeah, that's funny. See where it is. The two of them. Yeah, what color are they? Yellow. And that one is black stripe and peacock, yellow hat, and green. Very good. Could you tell me the colors of the others?